Wow, welcome to another video tutorial. This video tutorial is on remote control, IR remote control, infrared remote control. And here we are going to use this remote control to switch on this light and to make it do whatever we want it to do. We are going to write a code that will make it on for one time, for 1 second. We're going to write a code that will make it stay for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, depending on the input of our remote. That's how long it's going to stay. And we are going to write a code to the OK key that once we press the OK key, it will stand till we press 0 to turn off every other activity. Now, talking about the IR, this is the IR sensor I got from the from AliExpress, and as you can see, the circuit here is on now. So let me turn it on. Let me turn it off for now so that we will not be distracted. Then this is a remote. Like I said, this is a infrared. Now it has a, as you can see here. Let me try to zoom in my camera so that you can see very well. Okay, can I get a better angle? I think I have. Now when you see the S sign stand for the signal, the middle key, the middle pin there is the VCC, and the minus key, that's this other pin there. Now it's there is the ground, and use this Arduino Uno, but I'm not using this particular Arduino Uno. I'm using the red Arduino Uno. That's what I'm using now. And also the relay module I'm using to switch this on. I'm using this to switch on the alternating current, using to switch the alternating current. Now, as you can also see, now this relay has 3 pins. It has the in, it has the ground, and it has the VCC. Now, the input is where you send a logic input to it. That's when you send a logic input to it. And what I discovered about this other relay is that it only triggers on when the input tends to 0. That is when the input pin is low. A logic signal of a logic input, a low logic input is being sent into the input pin. Then the ground is also ground. VCC is also VCC, which is just 5 volts, and you can get it at the terminal of the Arduino. You can get 5 volts out of the Arduino terminal. Then this other part is just your normal close, normal open, and or just the same relay principle, but it's a little bit different because I just discovered some new trick about this particular relay, and I still need to research more about it. And if you've done any other research, if you've done any research about this relay and you know much about, please please just comment on the description. Just comment so that I know and contact you, because I really need to know more about this particular relay. Then this is just my power port that I just need to plug it into the socket. Now as you can see, it's on now, but nothing happens because we've not seen any command. We've not pressed the remote. We've not say ask the remote, the light to turn on. So looking at the whole system now, this is my IR I'm putting here. This other one I used was just a spare, just for the demo. Then this is the IR I'm using. If you look inside here, you see an LED just to indicate that the power is on. Then this is just a switch for this is just a switch to power on the circuit. So let me power on this circuit so that you see how it is. Wow, it turns on. Now the circuit is on and everything is working. Everybody's happy. I am happy too. So what happened when I turn on, when I just take up the remote and press any key? Now the code I wrote down here was just for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 7, 8, 9 star and hash key, I didn't just bother about it. I just let it go because it was just a quick demo. So what if I press 0? Wow, it turns off, and as you can see, nothing happens. If I press any other key, nothing happens because I had turned it off. What if I press 1? Wow, it turns on. And the program I wrote for the one for the key 1 was that it will turn on the light, it will only stand for 1 second, only 1 second. So 1 stand for 1 second, 2 2 seconds, 3 3 seconds, 4 4 seconds, 5 5 seconds, 6 6 seconds. The zero it's off, then okay goes on and on and on till you turn it off. So if I just want to do something, I just want to do something and I don't want to go back pressing the remote to go off, I can just say okay, what I want to do won't take long, just gonna be just a 3 seconds or 2 seconds something. So I can just come out to my remote, pick up my remote and press 3, and wow, it comes up. I'm just going to stay there for just 3 seconds, it goes off again. So if I should press 1, just 1 second, press 2, wow, it's longer than before, 2 seconds, 3, just 3 seconds, 4, wow, it just goes up at nearly 4 seconds. So that's just the interesting thing about programming. Instead of just calculating the RC, timing, security, or just writing the code, and it will do the crazy stuff for you. So if I just press in the OK key now, just turn on, and no timing there, it's just gonna turn on till you just turn it off again. And if I should press the 0 key now, it just turn off. So that's the interesting thing about this whole programming issue. And please just hit the subscribe button to get more videos, more tutorials on this channel. Very soon I'll be uploading my robotic car, and if you've not watched the video uploaded on my LED strip, please try and do so. Let me see if I can just bring it up so that you can see. That's just my LED strip. If you've not, just check the videos, just check the link, just check the description below, and you see a link to this video I did on my LED strip. So here, this one just displays so many colors over and over and over a time, and just depending on the loop. Also, my robotic car, this is just a robotic car. Very soon I'll complete the program and I'll upload it very soon, so watch out. So if you're interested about all this, and I'm very sure you like it, please just hit the subscribe button so that you get more videos, more videos on this. The code is this code. The code about this. The code about this is my website. Just you can just check on my website www.techhouseboy.com. It's in the link at the description. So just check it out and get the code. The good thing about Arduino is that it's open source. You can pick it up, do whatever you want to do. I love you all. Please subscribe.